Look this table, which has 4 rows and columns. Then number is provided in each rectangle. Then please check and find the missing number provided under question mark. Let me see your number in the comment section, please. Thank you, and for similar mind game questions, please don't forget to subscribe our channel.